Hey everybody, this is Sal from Nature of Sal, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get to the island of Ventotene, which is just south of Rome or north of Naples. First we'll take a look at the HikeLine map, which you can find for free on natureofsal.com. We will be taking a train from Rome Termini, the central train station in Rome, following the line number 7, the train line number 7. So this is the train down to the south. Once you are in Formia Gaeta, you would get off the train station, make your way to the harbor, which is just a 15-minute walk, and then from there you would take a ferry, which brings you to the islands. So the first step is buying the train tickets, and to do that we will navigate to trenitalia.com. Here we will select the English language. The station of departure we just insert Roma, and we want to navigate to Formia Gaeta. Here we go. Not to be confused with Formia Porto. We take Formia Gaeta. Now as a date we select in this case tomorrow, but of course whatever date you want to choose. And let's start with 6 a.m. just in case. To make it to the ferry, which departs around 9, we have two options that are useful here. One being the 656 train, the slower train, but it's just really 15 minutes slower and it's cheaper. Or the Intercity, which of course allows you to depart a bit later. It's a bit more expensive, and it gets to Formia Gaeta at 8:33. Proceed by clicking on it, €80.40. Then once selected, you click on Continue. Then just insert your data here, first name, last name. You don't need to insert your date of birth, your email address, then confirm. Then you just pay and receive the ticket in your inbox. It will be important that you have access to the email with the QR code that you will receive, because this is what the controller is going to check on the train. Also make sure that you have some valid ID with you, because some controllers also check that your ID, that it corresponds to your identity. So an ID card is something you should carry with you. Okay, train ticket done. Next thing we need is the ferry tickets. To do that, we go to the website of laziomar.it. Then what we want to do is scroll down to the booking menu. We are looking for a round trip. In this case, we select Formia to Ventotene. Now here the date, I leave today's date because we can select the date in the next step. We're going to purchase an ordinary ticket. If you would be a resident of Ventotene, you would get special fares, but we're not. And click on book, just like so. Okay, I have declared that I have read the conditions. Yes. One important thing on this website that you will notice, if you do not accept the cookies, so here I have to click on accept all. If you don't do that, the booking system is not going to work. So, okay, now I have to click on this here again, indeed, to accept the terms, and now it's loading correctly. By the time of recording, tomorrow is the 15th at 9:15 a.m. And you can see there's only one ship a day going onto Ventotene. So I select that, getting there, and to return, we have to select also on the 15th, so tomorrow, which takes about 2 hours to get there and to return. Okay. I have to click on the plus sign. Okay. So one ordinary ticket, smart boarding. This is okay. We just leave all the settings the way they are. Okay. One more time to check everything. Ticket quantity 1 in, 1 return. Okay. Now on this page, I insert my name, surname, birth date. Note that this is first the day, the month, and then the year. So I know in the US, this is the other way around. A valid phone number, genre, I think they meant to write gender, but okay, and nationality. Then we go to the next page where we can see the price. In total, this is going to be $34.54. So here I insert all my data. I confirm my email address twice. And then on the next page, I am presented with the payment options. Once you insert all the data, you should receive a booking confirmation in your inbox with a QR code or 2 QR codes, one to get to the island and one to return. You want to make sure you have access to them, so I recommend printing it out. And that's it. Now you have tickets both to get from Termini train station to Formia. Indications to get to the harbor are actually quite good. From there, you'll walk to the port. If you joined one of our organized hikes, of course, I'm gonna lead the way, so you don't have to worry about all the details, how to get from A to B. All right, that's it. See you soon. Stay fit, hike a bit.